How to remove malware from any Android devices. Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. This is Rose, and without further ado, let's begin. First of all, you need to identify the problem. Malware symptom can include slow device performance, apps won't or app you don't recognize being installed, and overheating or unusual battery drain. In order to fix these issues or remove malware, you need to simply check for the suspicious application. For that, open Settings, scroll down and navigate to Apps. Now choose App Management, and here you need to look for apps you didn't install or apps with generic names, example Cleaner Pro or Update Service. Select Application and tap Uninstall. If the option to uninstall is grayed out, you can easily disable the applications as well. Also, you need to make sure that you update your device. Go to Settings again. Now look for software updates. If you don't find, you need to tap search bar and type in update. Within 2 or 3 minutes, you will find software update. Simply, you need to tap to open it. And if you see any updates, you need to download and install any pending updates to patch security vulnerabilities. And once you do that, you will successfully remove malware from your Android device. I hope this guide worked. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching.